Okay, all you crafty critters, I'm fresh out of the shower and ready to get crafting. So today we are going to be working with a wreath frame. You can get the large one like this or the smaller one. I'm going to use rope to wrap mine, and then whatever toys you have. Now, if you have someone that loves Legos, and Legos would be adorable, I believe, on this wreath, get you some Legos together. For me, I have these Beanie Babies that I'm going to use on my wreath. Another idea is just a little bag full of junk toys. You could just fill it up with junk toys. Like maybe put a sign in the center that says, I love toys. I'm going to try to make something Beanie Baby for mine. Like if you used Legos or Barbies or something like that. Maybe cut a big Barbie label off of the package, or Lego, or what have you. Or make your own sign. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this Beanie Baby on this large wreath from the Dollar Tree. And some rope that I just had straggling around. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got this rope. It's a lot of ends and pieces that I cut up for another project. I've just tied them together, and now I'm going to wrap it around the wreath a little bit to make it stay tight while I start to wrap. After you get started wrapping, it'll be fine. So I'm just going to go this way around the wreath until I have the whole wreath covered, and trying to tuck my knots in as I go where my pieces are connected. Okay, I've got my whole wreath covered. Now I'm going to get all my Beanie Babies out and see how I want to place them on my wreath. Now you see here some of the little bumps where my knots kind of bumped up, but I'm going to fill this wreath pretty much between the beanies and the sign, so you're not really going to see that. Now, my plan is to take one of these packages, I think this big green one, and cut out a portion. I want to show the Ronald McDonald and part of the Happy Meal box, because this is where the vase originated from. So I'm hoping that I can glue it with hot glue, as I'm going to do with the rest of the wreath. I'm going to do my stuffed animals that way, and my bow. I cut off the extra that I didn't need from this bag, but I want to leave enough to double it over in the back so that I can run a bead of hot glue. Now I'm just going to hot glue all my beanies down. Okay, here we go. We have our completed tie Beanie Baby wreath. All I did was took some of that rope, balled it up, made a little bow out of it, and then I glued this package on that piece of wood. The bow's also glued on that piece of wood. So get your toys, cut you out a little title out of maybe the box, or like I did out of the package, and get cracking. That's it for today. I'll see you on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye.